Hello, am I audible? आवाज येतोय सगळ्यांना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we'll start our today's session. Okay, first of all, okay, now you are in the final year BTech. Okay, Division B. Okay, hereafter I will be class coordinator for your division. Okay, how many students they have joined today? 32 out of 80 students. Okay, first day only I will clear. Okay, you have to attend regular classes hereafter. Okay, those are absent. Definitely. Okay, those are absent today. Please tell them to attend the classes regularly hereafter. Otherwise, okay, there is some problem, or we can say that if any concept from our chapter or the any other subject, if you miss, then it is difficult to understand to that concept because your is the first batch, BTech batch. Previously it is BE. Now from your batch, it is syllabus was changed from BE to BTech. Okay. So I will request everyone to attend each and every class because previously the syllabus was somewhat different and for BTech the syllabus was somewhat different. Okay, I will take attendance at last. Okay, let it be. These are the 80 students. Out of that, only 37 students were joined. Okay. Okay. At start only, yesterday only, I have received one notice. Okay. How many students you have registered for GATE examination out of this 36? Can you write in chat box if you registered? I have registered. Okay, I will register. If you have not registered, then you can write I will register. And if you have done registration, then you can write a registration done in chat box first. Let me know. I will mark here. Those who have registration done, I will mark here. Please write in chat box. Let me know how many registration. Get registration. Yes, no one has done registration. Aniket, you have not registered. Okay, others, you have registered or not registered. Please reply first. Not register. Okay, Vishwajit, I will register. I will register, not register. How many students they have registered? Registered. Let me know. How many students they have registered for GATE examination? Yes. Okay. Not registered. Many more students are there. They have not registered. Why you want to don't want to go for GATE examination? Any reason? See, if you go to the GATE examination, okay, you have ample of opportunities in the government sector as well as okay, many MNC companies will prepare from the students from the GATE examination only. Okay, it's my humble request to everyone. Please register as much as you can. ओके तुम्ही प्रत्येक जणांनी रजिस्टर करावं ही माझी इच्छा आहे सगळ्यांनी अदरवाइज इट इज डिफिकल्ट ओके ओके नाउ विल मूव टुवर्ड्स द our part okay we will start with our subject okay I am teaching for your class one subject robotics and artificial intelligence okay. Now we will see the syllabus of this subject and as well as teaching scheme for this subject okay this is this subject newly added in your syllabus previously if you can see this one is the elective subject for the BE okay in that only industrial robotic part is there but now from this year this subject is compulsory to all students robotics and artificial intelligence in that you can see that okay they have given 3 hours per week for lectures and 2 hours per week for the practical and you can see the examination scheme okay uh, for our subject ESE end semester examination 70 mark ISE 30 mark ICA 25 mark okay means if you calculate the our total weightage for subject is 125 mark okay means now we'll start with some our subject introduction and after that we will go by one okay uh, this subject you can see here this course is designed to give the student an in depth understanding of manipulation manipulative robotics mobile robotics and its application nowadays you can see in the industries we're using the maximum robots okay rather than we can't go for the human and the human having the limitation okay due to that okay generally we are preferring the robots robots having more capacity to do work okay if you go if you see human can do the work up to 8 hours but a robot can work for 12 hours or 24 hours continuously means we can reduce the our production cost by installation by the robot okay for that in this subject we will study how to develop robot okay simple robots हे कसं डेव्हलप करायचं किंवा पहिल्यांदा रोबोट म्हणजे काय आणि त्याचे ऍप्लिकेशन वी विल सी इन दिस okay robotics okay this robotics and artificial intelligence you can see here the name two names are different it is combined here robotics it is one part and artificial intelligence it is one part okay in that the first section it consists of robotics and second section it consists of artificial intelligence now you can see at first we will see the it is related to the what is mean by robot application and different types of robots used in industries okay this part we will study in the our first session or first section next automation type introduction to industrial robotics anatomy of industrial robotics robot history AGVs, AGVs, automated guided vehicles. Next, service robots, cobots. Cobots means collaborative of robots. Okay. Next, configuration. After that, sensors, actuators, and end effectors. Means we will see the different parts of any robot. Okay, if you want to develop any robot, okay, for that robot there are different parts. Okay, which are the parts? Like sensors are there, actuators are there, end effectors. End effectors means like your hand. Okay, how to develop that hand or the fingers. Okay, that with the help of hands we can grab any product. Okay, that comes under this end effector. Okay, ह्या ज्या काही गोष्टी आहेत ती कुठे येणार आहे तर आपल्या एंड इफेक्टर मध्ये स्टडी करणार. नेक्स्ट विल स्टडी द कायनॅमेटिक ऑफ मल्टी डिग्री फ्रीडम सिस्टीम, जॅकोबिन मॅट्रिसेस, कायनॅमेटिक अँड डायनॅमिक, and robot trajectories. Okay, we will study with some simulation software. Okay, if you have developed some any robot, okay, it that robot having some degrees of freedom. Okay, त्या एखाद्या रोबोला डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम एक 2 डिग्री असेल, 3 डिग्री फ्रीडम असेल. ओके, डिपेंड अपॉन that movement of that robot, it is developed with this robot trajectories. In that we will draw the robot trajectory with some simulation softwares. Okay, we have robo analyzer. Okay, if you go to the Google and if you type that robo analyzer, you will get the that software. Okay, and it is developed by one IIT person. Okay, and with the help of that robo analyzer, we can develop that. Okay, robots. Okay, I will demonstrate today. Okay, how to use that robo analyzer, different types of robo trajectory, how we can see. Just machine vision using Scilab, MATLAB, Octave, or any free commercial vision software. Okay, this course requires the student to take part in the site visit, case study presentation. This course covers the fundamentals of artificial intelligence such as agents, reasoning, searching, machine learning, associated terminology. It also covers fuzzy logic, artificial neural network, genetic algorithm at a basic level. Okay, in that also we will study the how to develop okay fuzzy logic in the artificial intelligence. Okay, fuzzy logic means if you go to the for example, I will tell you simple one example. If you go to the Google and if you type there, okay, suppose you want to find robotics. Okay, if you type the robotics, it will automatically suggest some okay some links to you. Okay, ते काय करेल तर Google also using that artificial intelligence. Okay, now we will see how that next course objectives of our subject. Okay, course objective means at the beginning of any subject we're defining. Okay, defining the course objective like your okay a goal. Okay, तुम्ही ज्या पद्धतीने गोल डिसाईड करता तुमच्या लाईफचं त्या पद्धतीने आपण काय करतो तर कोर्स ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह एखाद्या सब्जेक्ट स्टडी करत असताना त्याचे आपण काय करतो तर कोर्स ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह डिफाईन करतो. आता कोर्स ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह काय असतात तर ह्या सब्जेक्ट मध्ये जे काय आपण स्टडी करणार आहे ते आपल्याला अंडरस्टँडिंग झालं पाहिजे. मीन्स ड्युरिंग दिस कोर्स स्टुडंट इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू ओके आता काय मिळवणं गरजेचं आहे या कोर्स मधून अंडरस्टँडिंग द बेसिक कन्स्ट्रक्शन अँड ऍप्लिकेशन ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल रोबोट, AGVs means automatic guided vehicles, cobots, collaborative robots. Next, acquaint with existing market distribution and future trends. Okay, next one, third one is the understanding. Understand the technology behind a modern robot such as sensor, actuator, grippers, controllers, machine vision, etc. Okay, this one is the third course objective, and at last, understanding fundamentals of AI, its type and application. Okay, this is AI means artificial intelligence. Okay, next Course outcome: after completion of this subject, you must able to, okay, you must able to explain and construction and application of different types of robots. Means at the end of this subject, you will able to, okay, these parts, okay, means you should able to different types of robot, application of that robots, okay, you should able to explain that. Next one is explain types of sensors, actuators and end effectors used in construction of robots. Okay, this one is the second part of course outcome. With the help of this one, you should able to, okay, explain these sensors, actuators and end effectors. Okay, third outcome: solve simple forward and inverse kinematic problem for jointed arm robots. Okay, means simple simple problems related to the forward and reverse kinematic problem. You should able to, you should able to solve that, and you can find that degrees of freedom also. Okay, next, define artificial intelligence and explain concepts such as searching, reasoning, and other associated terminologies. Okay. After that, after completion of this subject, you should able to at least define what is mean by AI and concepts related to the AI, artificial intelligence. Next, explain fuzzy logic. The next outcome is explain fuzzy logic, AN, GAs, and their application. Okay, and at course outcome last course outcome is explain component of machine vision and image processing fundamentals. These concepts you should able to, okay, at last you should able to know. Okay, हे तुम्हाला माहित असणं गरजेचं आहे at end. Next one is the, okay, we will see the our first section. Okay, already I have told you. Okay, section first, it is related to your रोबोटिक्स. ओके, सेक्शन फर्स्ट जो काय असणार आहे तो रोबोटिक्स बद्दल असेल, आणि जो सेकंड सेक्शन असेल इट इज रिलेटेड टू द आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजन्स. ओके, in that, okay, in first section we will study 3 units. Okay, 3 units. Out of that, the first unit, it is related to the introduction to robotics. In that we will study history and fundamentals of industrial robotics, definition as per ISO and IFR. Okay, IFR means ISO means International Standard Organization, and IFR Industrial Federal Robotics. Next, technology evaluation, components of industrial robots, configuration, typical specification, current market scenario. Next, after that, we will see the collaborative robots, service robots. Okay, these we will see in the first unit only. Next, AGVs, automated guided vehicles. Also, we will study in the first unit classification, navigation technique, and application. Okay. After that, we will study the mobile robots, classification, wheeled and tracked robots, autonomous navigation and control methods, and application. And at last, we will see the humanoid robots and biomimicry. Humanoid robots means similar to the human. We can develop the robots. That robot is nothing but humanoid robots. Like might be you have seen that Tesla has developed the one humanoid robot. Okay, we will see that one video in that Tesla company. You can, if you go to the YouTube and if you search Tesla bot, okay, you can get that humanoid robot. Okay, next, biomimics means uh, if you see in universe there are different animals as well as the humans are there. Okay, similar to that we can, or copy to that we can develop the robots also. Like if you want to develop the similar to dog, okay, you can develop that dog type of robots. Okay, might be you have seen somewhere. Okay, dog type of the robots also. Okay, next one is the second unit. It is related to the your sensors, actuators, and end effectors. Okay, in that we will see the sensors where we use the sensors in the robots. Next, actuators, what is the function of actuators, and end effector. Okay, sensors are used to sense the any object. Okay, we are using the sensors. Okay, might be you have studied this sensors part in your mechatronics parts or the electronics part. Okay, electronics मध्ये तुम्ही स्टडी केलेला असेल सेन्सर. Can anyone tell me which type of sensor you have studied? Any sensor? Yes, anyone? Can anyone tell me the
Sir, moisture sensor,
any
humidity sensor.
more? Correct, correct. Moisture sensors are there, humidity sensor. Again, proximity sensors have you seen? Proximity sensor बघितलेत का तुम्ही? Yes. Limit switches. Have you seen the limit switches? Limit switches बघितलेत का? ओके, ह्युमिडिटी सेन्सर बघितलाय तुम्ही इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स मध्ये झालेलं असेल. अगेन
Oxygen
एनी सेन्सर,
sensor.
ऑक्सिजन.
Sensor, sir. Nowadays
ओके,
in bike, sir.
नेक्स्ट. हा, येस. इन बाईक वी आर युझिंग ऑक्सिजन सेन्सर्स.
Yes, sir. BS6 bike,
ओके,
sir.
okay, okay. Next, any another person who can tell me that different types of sensors? अजून कोण सांगू शकेल मला?
Fingerprint sensor.
येस. हा, येस येस. कोणतं सेन्सर? मला आवाज आलेला नाही.
Fingerprint sir.
Fingerprint sensor, correct. Nowadays we are using in the mobiles fingerprint sensors. Okay, very good. Again, anyone from other sensors you have seen in day-to-day life? Yes, तुम्ही बोलायला पाहिजे. हा, बाकीचे कोण सांगू शकेल मला? Okay, these are we are seeing the different sensor classification बघणार आहेत आपण. जॉईंट अँगल सेन्सर वेगवेगळ्या, आता ह्युमन मध्ये जर बघितलं तर तुम्ही वेगवेगळ्या जॉईंटला वेगवेगळे, आता तुम्ही जर बघितलं तर वृष्ट बघता तुम्ही आपले, जर बघितले तर एल्बो आहेत. बऱ्याचशा ठिकाणी तुम्ही जर बघितले तर आपले वेगवेगळे जॉईंट आहेत. त्याच पद्धतीनं रोबोट्स मध्येही काय असणार तर वेगवेगळे जॉईंट असणार. Okay, for that we have to use the different joint angle sensors also. Understood. Next, rotary encoder, proximity sensors, switches, range sensors, GPS, and IMU. Uh, unmute yourself. Mute yourself. Switch. Yes. Mic कोणाचं चालू आहे? सर्व अनिकेत आहेत ना? अनिकेतचा माग. ओके, थँक्यू. Okay, we are moving towards. Okay, next, switches, range sensor, GPS. Have you seen the GPS? GPS बघितला असेल. कुठे बघतो आपण GPS? What is the long form of GPS? Anyone? कोण सांगू शकेल? GPS म्हणजे काय? आपण बरेच वेळेस म्हणतो GPS GPS. GPS म्हणजे काय? Global positioning sensors. Okay, might be in your nowadays in your four-wheelers also that GPS are there. In mobiles, every mobiles you can find this GPS devices. Okay, GPS device तुम्ही सगळीकडे बघू शकता. सेन्सर, inertia sensors, INU means inertia. Next, actuator. There are different types of actuator we are using. Hydraulic, pneumatic, electric actuators are there. Okay, for a rotating purpose, if you want to use some actuators, actuator means uh, to drive that unit. Okay, that to drive that unit, we require the actuators. Means if you want to rotate any part of robot, then in that case, what you can use there? Okay, एखादा रोबोटचा पार्ट तुम्हाला रोटेट करायचा आहे, तर त्यावेळेस तुम्ही काय यूज करसाल, कोण सांगू शकेल? ऍक्च्युएटर्स काय यूज करू शकताय तुम्ही, किंवा ते ड्राईव्ह कसं करू शकणार आहे तुम्ही? आय वॉन्ट टू रोटेट एनी पार्ट ऑफ रोबोट. एखाद्या रोबोटचा पार्ट मला गोल फिरवायचा आहे, सर्क्युलरली मला मूव्ह करायचं आहे, तर त्यावेळेस तुम्ही काय यूज करताल? कॅन एनी वन? येस, कोण सांगू शकेल मला? हॅलो, एम आय ऑडिबल? आवाज येतोय माझा?
Sir, electric motor.
Correct. We can use the electric motors to rotate any shaft, or the we can say that the hand of that robot. Okay, rotate करायचं असेल तर त्या ठिकाणी इलेक्ट्रिक मोटरचा आपण यूज करू शकतो. Okay, that only we are seeing review of DC motor, stepper motor, AC motor, speed control AC motor, VFD drives, and drive selection criteria. Okay, in which basis we have to select that drive, we will see in second unit. Next, end effector and grippers means to hold or to lift any part, we have to grip that. First, we have to grip that part, and then only we can lift that part. Okay, for that we require the grippers. Okay, there are like your hand. Okay, ज्या पद्धतीने तुमचा हात आहे, एखादी वस्तू तुम्हाला लिफ्ट करायची असेल तर त्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला जे काही फिंगर्स आहेत त्या फिंगरच्या मदतीने आपण काय करू शकतो, तर लिफ्ट करू शकतो. नेक्स्ट, क्लासिफिकेशन, ऍप्लिकेशन, डिझाईन अँड सिलेक्शन क्रायटेरिया विल स्टडी इन द okay second unit. Next, kinematic and dynamic and control. Okay, this is related to your third unit. Forward kinematic, inverse kinematic for 2 degree of freedom, 3 degree of freedom, planar manipulators. Next, in a dynamic, we will see some velocity Jacobian. Next, control architecture of robots, overview of advanced control techniques such as forced control, PID controls, adaptive controls, PWM controls. Okay, these we will study in the your third unit. Next, trajectory planning, joint space scheme, Cartesian space scheme issued in trajectory planning. Okay, and some numericals we will see in the 2 degree of freedom and 3 degree of freedom. Okay, this is your related to your unit number first. Now, sorry, section first. Next, unit now sections second. In that, we will study the artificial intelligence. In that, the basic part we will study in the unit number 4. Next, in that unit number 5, we will see the some controllers as well as the coding related to the genetic algorithm, and background of that genetic algorithm we will study in the unit number 5. And at last, vision system for AI. In that, we will study the okay different types of cameras and specification, selection and calibration of cameras. Okay, that part we will study in the unit number 6. Okay, unit number 4, fundamentals of AI. In that, we will see the introduction of artificial intelligence. Okay, first we will study what is meant by artificial intelligence. Next, application, games, theorem, proving. Next, natural languages processing, vision, speech processing, robotics, expert system, machine learning, deep learning, problem solving, state space search, production system, search space control, depth first, breadth first, search. Okay, these are the contents related to your fundamentals of AI. Next, in unit number 5, AI for the mechanical engineering application. In that, we will study fuzzy logic. After that, fuzzification, rule evaluation, fuzzy controller, ANN. Okay, uh, neuron cell, feed forward neural nets. Okay, these are the some points related to your AI. And at last, mission vision. Okay, in the 6th unit, vision system for AI. Again, in that we will study the machine vision definition, system components, lightning techniques, image processing fundamentals, edge detection, shape analysis, segmentation, object identification. Okay, these part we will study in the second section. Okay, it is all about your artificial intelligence. Okay, artificial intelligence बद्दल right. Next, 25 mark that I see a part. Okay, that 25 mark it is based on this 10 experiment and assignment. Assignment ह्या 10 assignment वरतीच तुम्हाला जे काही 25 मार्क आहेत ते 25 मार्क असणार आहेत. आता कुठले असाइनमेंट आहेत तर इफ यू सी केअरफुली द फर्स्ट 4 assignment it is related to your robot and robotics, and next 6 assignment it is related to your artificial intelligence. Okay, the first assignment or the experiment it is you can see here survey assignment on robots, AGVs. AGVs means automatic guided vehicles, manufacturers and application. Okay, second one is the theory assignment on sensor, actuator and grippers. Okay, third one is one assignment on kinematic and dynamic supported by suitable software. And fourth one is the one assignment on robot control and trajectory planning. These are the 4 assignment. It is the related to your robotics. And the remaining assignment, if you go to the fifth one, you can see on theory assignment on AI fundamentals. Okay. Next one is the assignment on fuzzy logic using suitable software. Okay. One assignment on ANN using suitable software. Next, one assignment on problem solving. Next, one theory assignment on machine vision. And at last, 10th one is the one assignment on image analysis using suitable software. Okay, we will plan for any software like Scilab or MATLAB. Might be you have studied Scilab in last semester. Whether you have Scilab in last semester, Scilab होतं का तुम्हाला? In third year, have you studied that Scilab or MATLAB? Yes, तुम्ही Scilab? No. Okay, you don't have that Scilab or MATLAB. Okay, let it be. We will plan for the introductionary part. We will go for the MATLAB or Scilab first, and then we will see how to use for the analysis purpose of any. Okay, understood. You have to complete this assignment as similar to your previously completed. You have to write in one page, and in that you have to upload at last in our. Okay, I will provide one link. On that link, you have to upload this 10 assignment. Okay, हे 10 assignment तुम्हाला त्या ठिकाणी upload करणे expected आहे. Okay, next textbook. Which textbook you can use? Okay, for robotics, these two books are very good. I found that. Okay, in that I have studied that S.K. Shah, Introduction to Robotics, McGraw Hill publication. This book also very nice. I have referred. You can find all notes from this book only and these two books only. Okay, ह्या 2 book मधलेच तुम्हाला maximum notes मिळतील. You can find this book. You can visit to our, or if you go to our library, in that you can find these 2 books, S.K. Shah and Grover, Mikkel Grover. Okay, these 2 books are very good related to robotics, and the remaining books you can use for the artificial intelligence. Okay, in our library also, these books are available. You can visit and you can take that books for your reference purpose. Or the for better understanding, you can refer that books. Next one is the these are some reference books as well as okay one link is International Federation of Robotics. This link is provided. You can go to that link. You can visit that link and you can see related to the okay robotics related to now what is the situation of that robotics and scenario of that robotics. Okay, you can find using this okay International Federation of Robotics. Okay, now we'll move towards the first unit. Before going to first unit, introduction to robotics, I will show you one video. Okay, humanoid robot, how it is developed by the Tesla company. I will show you that. I will show you that. You can watch this video carefully. Hello, you can see this biomimets of your dog. Okay, might be you have seen this. Uh, okay, biomimets and as well as the humanoid robots. Now I will take the present A and will conclude today's session. Okay, from tomorrow, next lecture, we will start with our unit number one. Okay, we will go to the bit by bit syllabus as well as you try to prepare one 100 page, 200-page notebook for our subject to draw the figures as well as to solve the problems. Okay, we'll take the present roll number one. Roll number one. Please say yes, no. Two. Roll
Yes,
number
sir.
two. Two is present. Next three. Arti. Roll number three is not there. Four. Roll number
Present, sir.
four.
Present, sir.
Five. Five. Five is absent. Six.
Yes, sir.
Seven.
Yes, sir.
Eight. Roll number eight. Prajakta. Roll number nine. Nine. 10.
Yes, sir.
11. 11. 12. 12. 13. 13. 14. 15. 16.
Yes, sir.
17. 18. 19. 20.
Yes, sir.
20. Wait. 21.
Present, sir.
22.
Present, sir.
23. 23. 24. 25. 25.
Yes, sir.
25. Present or absent? मधने अविनाश आहेत का? 26.
Yes, sir.
20 absent ना. 26 present. 27. 27 absent. 28.
Yes, sir.
29. 29. 30. 30. 30 absent. 31. 31. 32. 33.
Yes, sir.
33.
Yes, sir.
34. 35. 36. 37.
Yes, sir.
38. 37 or 38?
Yes, sir. 37.
37. 38. 38. 39. 39. 40. 40. 41.
Yes, sir.
42. 42. 43.
Yes, sir.
43.
Yes, sir. 43.
44. 44 or 43. 43 is present. 44. 44 absent. Next. 45. 45. 45 absent. 46,
Present.
47, 48, 49,
Yes, sir.
49,
Yes, sir.
49 present, 50,
Yes, sir.
50,
Present, sir. 50 present.
51, Saur, Mohit, 52, 53, 54,
Yes, sir.
55,
Yes, sir.
56, 56, 57, Avtade Yogesh, 58, Bagul,
Present, sir. Present.
59, Bandare, Pranav,
Yes, sir.
60, Dabade Avinash, absent, 61,
Present.
62,
Present, sir.
Ikmalli,
Present.
63, Gaikwad,
Present.
64, Vishal, 65, Jadov, Sushant,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Jagtap Omkar, 66,
Yes, sir.
67, कोळी आकाश, कोळी कोळी आहे एकदा लवटे दशरथ 68, दोंडे अविनाश, दोंडे अविनाश, माने आकाश,
Present, sir.
काळे ओंकार 71, काळे ओंकार, देवकर शुभम 72, देवकर शुभम, जगताप वैभव,
Present, sir.
वैभव,
Present.
सलगर रोहित, सलगर रोहित, सलगर रोहित absent, वाळुसकर ऋषिकेश, वाळुसकर absent, अमित, अमित येले, अमित, सुमित
Yes,
77, सुमित, पाटील हर्षदा,
Yes, sir.
माळी सुदर्शन,
Present, sir.
नित्यानंद
Yes, sir.
8 present. Okay, those are absent. Tell them to join regular classes. Okay, it will affect on your grade. How many present are? Okay, those who have not registered for GATE, they have to register for GATE as early as possible because 24th is the last date for registration. हे सगळ्यांनी registration करा and those are absent. I will send them letters. Okay, I will call them also. Okay. Thank you very much. You can leave the meeting, no problem.